Okay, hello students. Welcome back to Python tutorial. Today's session we will learn about the object detections using OpenCV. It's a popular library for computer vision. So it's OpenCV if you want to know. Okay, it's OpenCV. It's a very popular library for computer vision. Since we are doing an object detections right now, so we need a library which be able to detect and identify and locate objects in the image or video. Okay. Before we start to do the coding, we need to change the notebook settings into the TP1. If you forgot on how to do it, let me show you once again. So you go to the edit session and then click the notebook settings and then change to T4 GPU. Okay, and then save it. Okay, so now we are working on the TPU notebook setting, so it will be easier and will run smoothly on our object detections coding. All right. So basically, sorry, it should be a code. It should be a text. Okay, so it's OpenCV, the library for uh image and video processing. Okay. All right. You know that the object detection is about identify and locate an object. Okay, objects because it can be more than one in an image or video. Okay. So by the end of this session, you will understand on how the code works and you will be also be able to detect an object in your own images. Okay, let's start it now. We will start to insert the new line of the code and we need to import the necessary libraries. In this case, we will use the OpenCV libraries, which is for a computer vision. We are using image and video processing. And then we will also use the CV2 IM show. It's for displaying the image directly into the notebook. All right, so we need to import the CV2 first. It's from the Google Colab. You need to type in exactly the same as me, so you will not find any bug. Okay, so execute this code. Okay, we can see it's successfully imported by seeing the green check over here. And then we need to give another line of the code and we can start to load an image to show that image we are going to use for the object detections. So we will use the cv2.im show, the cv2.im show. Okay, we will start to load the images. Okay, img cv2.imbread. Oh, okay. I forgot to tell you one more thing. You need to upload the images. You can use this button, okay, to upload any images you have from your computers into this Google Colab, okay? Or if you don't have any image on your uh, computers, then we can uh, find one. Let's see. Go to the cat images. Okay. I love orange cat, so I will go with this one. So cute. Okay, I will save the images into my directory. It's a cat. All right. Um, oh, I love this cat. Yeah, you can choose any cat. The orange cat. Okay. Let's go back to the Google Colab. All right, let's go back to our code. And this time you can upload the images into the Google Colab by using this button over here. It's like a paper with a folded part on the edge of the paper. Okay. And they have a row over here. Okay, just click on it and then choose the JPEG file images. Yeah, click open. All right, and then you need to copy path and paste into here. Okay, it's telling the Google Colab that I want to load these images. Okay, execute this line of code. Okay, it's successfully load the image, and then I want to see, I want to check if the Google Colab already successfully keep the image. Okay, so I want to make another code to display the image. Okay, it's cv2.imread. Oh, sorry, it's imshow. And then the images, this one. Okay. And I want the Google Colab to pause the execution uh, so that I can view the images. So I need the cv2.wait key 0. All right. And now let's execute this code. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's supposed to be underscore. Okay. Let's rerun it again. So the picture of the cat should be like this. So let's see if it's, oh yeah, it's exactly the same picture I want to use in this object detection system. All right, it's now displayed. It means that the system already keep the images that we want to proceed to detect the object inside this image. And then the next part, the next step, detecting the objects. Okay, so to detect the object, we need a list of possible object classes, and these are defined in the file of the Coco names. Okay, so we need to upload two files more. So the first file is called Coco names. Okay, and I will include this in the announcement, and you can download the object class names files. Okay, before you can upload the supporting files into the Google Colab, you need to go to my GitHub to download it. I will give the link in the announcement, so you don't need to type in the GitHub link. Okay. So here in my GitHub, there are 4 files you need to know. The first file is the Coco names. It's containing the object class list of some object. So in this case, you need to choose a picture with the object which is already included in the Coco names file. If you want to see what the class includes in this Coco names files, you can click on it and you can see that there are so many object class here: person, a bicycle, car, and also cat and dog. So this time I choose cat pictures like I just saw uh, previously is the orange cat. So that I hope that it will be detected by the system. Okay. And then the second file is the, okay, it's not cannot view, but I think you don't need to view it. You just use it. So it's containing these two files containing the weights and the config of the pre-trained model, which is you can use it practically and simple. So you don't need to do the training process in this case, okay? And then the last file is the orange cat. So before you use your own picture, which you download from the internet, you can use this picture that I have downloaded before, so that you can check whether your system is already works or not. Okay, so we go back to the directory. Okay, so you need to download all the files. So I will choose the download into the zip file. Okay, it's there already because I download the files previously. So I will just go to my directory of the download. Okay, it's there already. And since you download the zip files, you need to unzip it first. And if you're using an Apple MacBook, you can just click it twice, okay? And then it will be there. Okay, since I already unzip it, I will move it to Trust, and I will open the unzipped file and load the supporting files later on using the Google Colab. Okay, so it's already there. Now I want to go back to the Google Colab and go back to the folder button here to upload the Coco names first, okay? Later on, I will upload the other two. So for now, I will upload the Coco names. Click open. Okay, it's already loaded into the Google Colab. For later, I will call the files into the Google Colab system, okay? And after that, we start to define the Coco names files into the coding, okay? Class file. Okay, it's this copy, then I paste here. And after that, I want the Google Colab to read the class name from the file. Okay, and then print the class name. Okay. So the class names inside this file, this include a person, bicycle, car, motorbike, airplane, bus, train, and etc. And we also have cat and dogs object lists, object classes in this file. So any picture you have needs to be containing this object. Okay, this list of object. It can be one or two object. Okay. So previously I download a picture with a cat. Okay. And since the cat class, the object is one of this list of the object class, so we hope we can identify it. It's over here. Yeah. Okay, after that, since we have a list of object categories here over here, this will be used later to label detected objects in the images. In this case, I have the picture of a cat, then it should be able to detect cat objects in my images. Okay. And then I would like to load another file. It's a model that already trained before. So in this step, in this session, I don't want to train a model. I would like to use the pre-trained model. It's already trained before. So we are using the SSD mobile net model trained on the Coco datasets. So we need to load the models, configurations, and the weights. Okay. So first of all, I would like to put the pre-trained model into the Google Colab. So I will just click this and open. Okay, it's over here already. And then we start to load the models. Okay. And then load the model. And next, we need to configure the model. Okay. All right. This step basically just load the models using the config and the weight files. And then after that, we've configured the models. In this step, we set the input size. We resize it into the 320 pixels by 320 pixels. Okay, we resize it. And then the scale, and then scale the pixel values to range from 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1. And next, we normalize the image by subtracting the mean values. And after that, we swaps the image channels from blue, green, ray into the RGB formats. Okay, and this process which needs by the model. Okay, after that we click run. Okay, there is, and we can see which. Oops, sorry, I should uh upload two instead of one, so I need to upload another files into the Google Colab. Okay, so we need two files in this case. The first file is the SSD mobile net, and the second file is the frozen interference graph. So it consists of config and the weights. Okay, should be okay. Yes. Now let's use the models to detect the objects in the images. Okay, we start by class the IDs. We uh we we call the class IDs, and then the convs. It consists of the confidence score and the B box, which is the bonding boxes. Okay, and then the configured threshold is the the probability or the confidence. So I want the Google Colab to show me all the objects with the probability more than 70%. Okay, if you want to make it 50, you can do that. But in this case, I would like to uh, set the threshold. So I wanted the system to be able to show the object detected with more than 70% probability. Okay, and let's click and run it. Okay, it's okay with that. Now, since the output, which is the class ID and the configuration and the bounding boxes, now there should be already detect the images. Okay, the image is here, and then now I want the system to visualize and runs the code. Okay, for class ID, and then confidence, uh, and then box, the X and Y, and width and height. Okay, it's the bounding boxes. And then I want to visualize the bounding boxes using the rectangle. Okay, and draw over the images with X and Y. And then the colors, I'm using red color. Oh, no, it's a green color. If you familiar with RGB, then this is the RGB code for green color. And then the thickness of the bonding boxes. Let's see, I will make it 3. And next, I need to put the text. Okay, it's class name. and I'm using font. Okay, let's use this. And after that, I want the system to show the result. So it should be CV2. Okay, let me check once again. It's confidence and then box. Rectangle. We're calling the images where the X and Y. X plus the width and height for Y, and color will be green. The thickness is 3. And then I would like to put the text for the image and the class name of the image detected. And then I'm using the font Hershey Complex. Okay. And then show the result. Okay, let's run it. Got an error message. Let's see what is the error. I think it should be in a capital, the text. Okay. Yeah, should be the T in the text is the capital. Okay. Let's try to rerun it again. Oops, yeah, it's there. So we have a picture of cat and detect the object, and it does have bounding boxes and the names of the object. Okay, that's how you perform the object detection using Python, OpenCV, and Google Colab. So in this tutorial, we have covered um, how you load and display the image, and then load the class names and the the pre-trained model. You know which one is the pre-trained model? Yeah, this one and this one. Okay, which has the config and the weights. All right, and then you can detect objects and visualize the results. Okay, so object detection is a powerful tool, yeah, for various applications like surveillance, the cameras, and then in the robotics and self-driving car. This is the most simple object detection that we can experiment. You can, do some more experiment with this code, and you can explore some possibilities. Okay, thank you for watching, and this is one of the project you need to do for the final final examination. No, final project. This is an individual report. So you need to work on yourself on how to perform the project. Okay, I will put the file for the Coco names is the list of the object classes, and then these two config and the wakes file is the pre-trained model into an GitHub. So you can just download it and you can start to work on your final project. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's all of these sessions. If you have any questions or have some problems, just tell me and reach out. And we will see you in the next video tutorial. Okay. Goodbye.